Have you got old parts? I'm talking about like old car parts, like a cylinder head that I've done a video on. We've got a part of a manifold here, which it will get cleaned at some point. You can see the inside. You can just about see, like, you know, the dirt and the grease in there. And we do have another, so this is just examples of what we have here at Vixen that we're ready to clean. And that's part of an oil pump from a Renault Megane. So you can see the state of this. I mean, you see the oil just sort of glistening from the metal and the plastic. So if you have old parts, old components like that that you think are beyond repair, beyond cleaning, you've given up on them, then just drop us a quick message, comment, email, give us a quick phone call, and yeah, you can send them parts in, and then we'll see what we can do to get them cleaned. Oh, and did I mention that this is actually a free service that we offer? Send sample parts in, we'll get them cleaned, and see if you're happy with the results. You may be surprised. We've got a lot of different media here. We've got a lot of different machines that do a lot of different bits on cleaning. So if you have anything like that, send them in to ourselves. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Right, I'll catch you on the next video. Until then, stay safe and stay tuned.